clap your hands. The dog goes woof woof in the lands. Roar, 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 roar. The lion goes roar, roar. Stomp your feet, big and loud. The lion is strong and proud. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. The frog goes ribbit, ribbit. Hop around, jump up high. The frog is leaping nearby. Meow, 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 meow. The cat goes meow, meow. Wave your hands, touch your nose. The cat is soft as it goes. Baa, 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 baa. The sheep goes baa, baa. Shake your shoulders, wiggle your tail. The sheep is seen without fail. Quack, 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 quack. The duck goes quack, quack. Flap your arms, hop along. The duck sings its happy song. Final clap, jump, stomp, and sway. Can you see the animals today? Dance with Zaza, laugh and play. Learn the animal sounds, hooray!